Welcome to the channel of Accelerating Physics. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most important equation of quantum mechanics, that is Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation. Now, derivation for Schrodinger's time dependent equation. The Schrodinger time dependent wave equation may be obtained from Schrodinger time independent wave equation, and for that we have to consider psi, which is the wave function. It is equal to psi 0 e raised to power minus I omega t. Differentiating above equation with respect to t, we get dou psi by dou t equal to minus I omega psi 0 e raised to power minus I omega t. Now we know that omega, which is called as the angular velocity, it is equal to 2 pi nu. Now this is equal to dou psi by dou t equal to minus I 2 pi nu into psi 0 e raised to power minus I omega t. Here we have substituted the value of omega as 2 pi nu. Now dou psi by dou t equal to minus 2 pi I into V into psi. So E equal to H into nu. Now nu equal to E upon H. Now this we are going to substitute as dou psi by dou t equal to minus 2 pi I into E upon H into psi. Now we are going to introduce one constant as H cross. H cross equal to H upon 2 pi. Now substituting the value of H cross, dou psi by dou t equal to minus I into E upon H cross into psi. Now multiplying by I H cross on both sides of the equation, we get I H cross into dou psi by dou t equal to E psi. Now substituting the values of E psi equal to I H cross dou psi by dou t in Schrodinger's time independent wave equation, we get del square psi plus 8 pi square m upon h square into bracket E minus V into psi equal to 0. Now in this case 8 can be splitted as 2 into 2 into 2. Pi square we are going to write as pi into pi. So 2 pi into 2 pi we are going to consider for the reduction of the equation as H cross equal to H upon 2 pi. Therefore del square psi plus twice m upon H cross square. This H cross square comes from H upon 2 pi into bracket I H cross dou psi by dou t minus V psi equal to 0. This I H cross dou psi by dou t, we have substituted the value of E. After substitution, we get del square psi equal to minus twice m upon H cross square into bracket I H cross dou psi by dou t minus V psi. Now multiplying by H cross square upon twice m on both the sides, we get minus H cross square m upon twice m into del square psi plus V psi. This minus V psi we have shifted it to the left hand side, so it becomes plus equal to I H cross dou psi by dou t. Now this minus H cross square upon twice m into del square plus V we are going to consider in one bracket into psi equal to I H cross dou psi by dou t. Now we are going to consider one constant as H equal to minus H cross square upon twice m into del square plus V. So substituting the value of H in this equation, we get H psi equal to E psi. This is very famous equation of quantum mechanics. E psi equal to H psi, and this equation is called as Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation, which is used in many applications of quantum physics. Now thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.